Meron ako nakitang post sa Facebook na isang babae na nakipag-break sa jowa niya kasi mabilis daw siya masyadong maglakad. Yes, that's right. At ang sabi niya sa post, we were at ATC to eat and watch Captain America. He walked so fast, always ahead of me to the point that I almost tripped 3 times trying to keep up. I kept telling him to wait for me, but he just joked, "Can't you match my pace? Ako pa ba mag-a-adjust?" For the past 3 years, he's always been like this. I let it slide because I loved him and didn't want to start an argument, especially in public. Sobrang walang gentleman manners. Lagi akong iniiwan and lagi ako inuunahan maglakad. But today, I finally snapped. After the movie, I was still inside the cinema while he was already halfway down the stairs, heading out. That was the last straw. I threw our couple rings right in front of him and told him I was done. For reference, he's 5'9" and I'm only 5'2", so his legs are obviously longer. But kahit na, yung mga couple nga sa paligid namin kanina lahat sabay maglakad. Ang masasabi ko lang dito bakit naman hindi nag-background check si babae? Baka kasi si guy meron siyang ADHD. Kasi ADHD peeps tend to walk on a faster pace. I know this fairly well kasi ako meron din akong ADHD. And yes, mabilis talaga kaming maglakad. But it doesn't mean na we don't care and ayaw namin makasabay maglakad yung mga babae, ha? It's just that our brains are just wired differently. Actually, believe it or not, I had this issue before din. Nagagalit yung dinedate ko dati kasi masyado daw ako mabilis maglakad. And lagi daw siyang nahuhuli. And totoo naman, mabilis talaga ako maglakad and lagi nga siya talaga nahuhuli. Pero at that time, hindi ko alam na isa pala sa ADHD trait ang mabilis maglakad. So I said to her na, alright, sige, I'll try to match your pace. Ang ending, wala din. Nahuhuli pa rin siya. So in the end, wala. In-accept din niya. Kasi it's hard for us ADHD peeps to be mindful of the pace of our walking. Kasi we're already distracted enough as it is. So focusing on slowing your pace as you walk, para sa amin, is a monumental task na. But hey, I tried. Pero wala, at the end of the day, ADHD wins. In-accept na lang niya yung fact na yun. So mga sigarilyo, kung pwede nung i-share ang video na to hanggang sa makarating sana kay Ating, that would be great. At least, kung mapanood nga niya ito, magkakaroon siya ng realization na, baka nga meron siyang ADHD kaya mabilis siyang maglakad. Let me talk to him nga. O, diba? Di nakatulong tayo sa relationship nila. Well, I hope nakatulong sa inyo and follow for more. And if you guys want to get my help personally, the quickest way is for you to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. You can do that by clicking the link in my bio if you're on TikTok. Pero kung nasa YouTube ka naman, the link is in the description box below. Hush!